In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical menu in a Wix website. Whether you're looking to give your site a sleek and modern navigation style, or just need to organize your pages more effectively, a vertical menu can be a fantastic addition. Let's begin by logging into Wix. You're going to want to open your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. Once there, simply click on the Login button. Enter your Wix account credentials and you'll be directed straight to your dashboard. If you're new to Wix, it's easy to sign up and get started with a free account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your site editor. On your dashboard, you'll see a section called My Sites. Here, select the specific website you'd like to edit. Click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This editor is a powerful tool that will allow you to transform your site with just a few clicks. Next up, let's add a vertical menu. On the left-hand side of the Wix editor, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the Add a Plus button, which gives you a variety of elements you can add to your site. Look for Menu, and depending on your version of Wix, select Vertical Menu or Side Menu. Now click and drag the menu onto your page. Feel free to position it wherever you think it will best serve your visitors, usually on the left or right side of your site. With your menu in place, it's time to customize the menu items. Click on your newly added vertical menu and open Manage Menu, or Menus and Pages, depending on the terminology used in your version. Here you can add, remove, or reorder the pages to suit your site's structure. Also, don't forget to link each menu item to its corresponding page on your site to ensure smooth navigation for your users. Once you've got everything organized, move on to designing the menu. Click Design to tailor the appearance of your menu. You can change colors and fonts to match your site's style. Set hover effects for interactive feedback, adjust the background and spacing, and tweak the menu width. Don't be afraid to get creative and make your menu visually appealing yet functional. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's crucial to save your work. Click Save in the upper right corner to retain all your changes. Before going live, it's a good idea to click Preview to see how the vertical menu will look and function for your visitors. If everything looks slick and operates smoothly, click Publish to make your vertical menu live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a vertical menu for your Wix website. This menu will streamline navigation for your visitors and give your website a fresh new look. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials.